Alrighty guys, we are back at Sun City Harley again, another test ride. Here with Benno from Benno's Shed. Today we're test riding the brand new Softail Lowrider S. So let's get into it. Alright, no switch, just the button. Away we go. And we're off. My first time riding a Lowrider S. I never even got to ride one of the Diners, which is a damn shame because I really want to. Sun City had a second-hand one and I've seen it in one of my videos and was talking about it, and someone got in and bought it before I could get to do a test ride on it, so that sucks. Alright guys, well we'll stick to the usual theme of me riding around, going to the turtle, riding the crocodile, give you a little overview, and then we'll take it for a burn. I'll give you my impressions. If this is the first Skidpig test ride video you've seen, guys, I don't just read out all the specs. You want all that shit, you can read the brochure. I just tell you all the good shit. Alright, while we're cruising to the spot, I'll give you my first impressions of the Lowrider S. So, it feels good, it's comfy, it's got a heap of power. The 114 cubic inch engine has plenty of go about it. I like the 2 gauges. Analog, I would prefer digital, but that's just me. The controls and everything are the same as every other Harley in the world. It feels good, man, it feels good. I don't think this fairing would do anything, but looks cool, and that's the main thing. That's why we all ride Harleys. We want to fucking look cool. I think the controls need to be pushed out a bit further, but that's probably just because I'm 6'2", so that doesn't help. So yeah guys, even the seat is pretty comfy. Harley's come a long way with their seats. The older bikes were shit. They were real uncomfortable, but these new Softails all have pretty good seats, especially the touring bikes, but you'd expect that. So we're nearly at the spot, guys, nearly there.
One debt to society later.
Alright, here we go. I'm gonna get in trouble one of these days for doing this, but I just love the photo opportunity. I can't say no. Alright, let's have a squiz. I love the kickstand being further forward too on these Softails. Nice touch, Harley, nice touch. The new Lowrider S Softail edition. What do you reckon? I'm a pretty big fan, I like it. I like the normal Lowrider Softail too, but still a Dyna, man, I'm not gonna lie. But these, if I was gonna buy a Softail, this would be it. 114 cubic inch donk. This one's got a Bassani road rage pipe on it, and I think that's about all they've done to it. They've kept similar styling to the Dyna Lowrider S, but the colour's a little bit different. The Dyna one was a bit of a bronze. But I like this sort of, what's that bloody TV show? Stranger Things, I think, that has that writing. But yeah, your little fairing would be cool if you could stuff things in there. I'm sure you could take that out. But yeah, that's about it, guys. That is ugly as fuck. It needs to go. I would just make that nice and flush. Maybe hang the number plate off the side. Get one of those lip brake lights or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's a look at it. We'll go for a ride. Alright, well we better have a listen to this Bassani pipe, eh? Not bad. Alright, let's go ride. Alrighty, so what would I change if this was my bike? Well, I would, I'm fairly happy with the bars, but you always have to change bars, it's like a rule. So I'd change the bars, that'd happen. Definitely put forward controls on, I'm just too tall for these. I don't mind this exhaust, but I'm not really a 2-in-1 guy, so don't know what I put on it. It does have a decent note to it, but it just doesn't sound like Donna. You know, my bike just has that I'm gonna kill you sound, and I just love that. So I don't know, maybe cams would help. Well, they definitely would help, but depends how big your wallet is, I suppose. Goes pretty good. So power wise, I don't think you really need to change much. It's already got a decent intake on it. Do the exhaust tuner, that'll keep you going for a while. Maybe chuck some cams in it later. Bars, yeah, maybe just lift them up a little bit, like probably 3 inches higher would be perfect, I reckon. Forward controls, the seat's good enough. I think it'd look pretty smick with a Saddleman or a Lucky Dave's. The fairing is only there for looks. If you wanted it to actually do anything, I think you'd have to put a bigger screen on there. The brakes, on the other hand, are amazing. The stopping power is ridiculous. So I'm pretty sure this is twin rotor. Yeah, it is on the front. So yeah, that explains that. So the brakes are awesome. You don't need to worry about that shit. I can't do wheelies, so am I kidding? Could you do some touring on this thing? Yeah, I reckon you could. Definitely needs cruise control. The cruise would make it so much better, so much more comfy. Yeah, I've got a bung shoulder too. You can probably see on the front camera when I'm riding normally like this, my right shoulder sticks up a bit higher than my left. I was in a bad crash when I was 20, so if you're wondering. It's nice and narrow, it's easy as to lane split. I haven't hit any mirrors, doing well so far. Yeah, it's got heaps of power. Its testicles are this big. So overall impressions, pretty cool. I'm fairly impressed with it. Would I own one? Yeah, I reckon I probably would. Would I sell my Dyna to get one? No, I probably wouldn't. So, you know, a personal preference there, but yeah, this is a lot more comfortable to ride. Well, if I've got my air suspension dialed in properly, it's probably the same, but yeah, the 114's got it over the 103, guys. Alright guys, you ready for some lean angle specs? You know, it wouldn't be a Skidpig review without that. That thing's probably faster. Alright, here we go. Right hand lean angle is... Who cares? Gotta do it, it's sort of like a tradition now, so... being a dickhead on camera, it's sort of what I do. How good is lane splitting? You gotta dead set love it, don't you? Wonder if this bloke's gonna give us a go. Nah, that's disappointing. Well, highway wise, it cruises. Just cover that up, officer. It cruises quite comfortably at the speed limit. So yeah, no worries there. You could do some highway runs with this bad boy. Alrighty, back at Sun City Harley. Thanks again, champions, for letting me ride your bikes. Thanks you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. It was good fun for me. Hope it was good for you. Don't forget to press all those buttons that I usually ask you to press. You know, that thumbs up one and that red subscribe one, make sure you do that. You got to do it with your headbutt. Yeah, and that's it. I'll see you next time. Catch up. Toodaloo. Ta-da. Bye-bye. Love ya. See ya.